Okay, so welcome to part 2 of this video where, again, kids, if you've never opened one of these packages, you should know, they are hard to open and you will probably cut yourself, so get some help, What we have here is that typical thingy that you see. Usually this whole thing here is, you don't get to see this part, you see this part, and this is the part that opens and closes your doors, and then these are the good old handles. And now I'm going to have to separate these, put them together as such, and screw them into the door, and then hopefully it'll run as the other one did before, or better. I'm hoping better. Just so you guys know, this comes pre-lubricated, and so that's a good thing. But you could always add some WD-40 if you want to. But this one is pre-lubricated.
Likey.